I recently, last summer, took part in the first major traverse that New Zealand has mounted across the Antarctic since Hillary did it in the 1950s. The amount of planning that goes into the traverse is pretty incredible. So it's a 2-year planning phase with the logistics that happens, and then I was involved for about 6 months before using satellite imagery to plan the whole route. Of course, Hillary and all his boys didn't have any of that, so we've got this amazing satellite resource that we can use to get imagery of where we're going and sort of locate all the hazards. And the major hazards are crevasses. So the whole objective is not to drive into one of the crevasses, and these satellites really provide an amazing tool to do that. We also have a radar mounted on the front of the first vehicle, which is an incredible tool because it gives us about a 4 or 5 second warning if a crevasse is coming up ahead of us. So one of us is driving in that vehicle and the other one is continuously monitoring that GPR, ground penetrating radar system, and then we can get a really good idea of what's coming up ahead. All we're trying to do is prove a route so that the science can be done at specific sites. And there is thought in the future that we might use the actual traverse route to do some science too, so drag instruments with us and kind of have a sort of circus of scientific instrumentation on tour in Antarctica.